Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Konftel 70 Bluetooth speakerphone and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If the speakerphone is not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your device, or if you're having any kind of sound issues, basically any kind of connectivity or functionality issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will have to repair it and reset it up on your devices because it will be restored to its factory default settings, which is really the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to get a fresh start with this speakerphone, maybe you're setting it up in a new office or on new devices, this will clear all of the history off of it and start it up as though it came out of the box. But anyway, so if those are the reasons, and if you want to do it, we can go ahead and get started. It's very easy to do. All you need to do is come in, and if you press the power button, the answer call button is also the power button. So if you just press and hold this button for 8 seconds. After 8 seconds, that will initiate a reset process where this speakerphone will be reset to its factory default out-of-box settings.